Hello, cookbook friends. This is Carrie with Cookbook Divas. Today I thought we would have fun looking through Nadiya's Bake Me a Festive Story. 30 new recipes with original stories. It's so cute. Oh, check out the back. It is Britain's favorite baker is back with a celebration of all things festive. Bring the family together this Christmas to share wintry stories and cozy recipes. Lavishly illustrated by Claire Rossiter, Bake Me a Festive Story is a unique combination of storybook and cookbook. Cool. Okay. It came out in 2018. The publisher is... Uh-oh, I can't read the logo. Don't know. It's a funny logo. Okay, here's her introduction. Helpful hints and tasty tips, measurements, etc. Table of contents. Not very colorful, hey. Where the other socks go. The Snow Queen. The little tea light cart. Who is the lady in the red Mercedes? Friends with no doors. The little fir tree. Hooray for out of school. The elves and the shoemaker. Spelled C-H-O-U-X. Very clever. Benji's basket. Jacko Frost, dress down to dress up, the Nutcracker, etc. So you can see that there's a little story and it's really cute and colorful. And then we're going to make cheesy feet biscuits. Cute. And that's giant. And we're going to make red pepper dip. Cute illustrations. The Snow Queen. What are we going to make in this one? I'm going to skip past because I shouldn't show you all the pictures. Donut bread and butter pudding. The little tea light girl. Turkey and spinach pancakes. Chocolate orange eggnog, yum. Speculoos coconut truffles. Who's the lady in the red Mercedes? I'm guessing it's the lady in the cover. Cardamom and marmalade frangipani tart. Friends with no doors. Does that mean you can just walk into their house? I wouldn't like that. Nutty lime biscotti. Do kids eat biscotti? I would think it's kind of hard for their teeth and they shouldn't be drinking coffee. I don't know. Tilly's bird feeder. Nice. A little birdseed recipe. The little fir tree. Cute. There's little cookies. Oh. And the recipe is probably for, Christmas ginger cake. And little fir tree biscuits, i.e. cookies. Hooray for out of school. Well, I liked being in school. Sweet cheese and chive cakes. Definitely something kids could make. Something called crashed eggs. I like her sense of humor. Fruit skewers. Don't really need a recipe for those. The elves and the shoemaker has Bakewell shoe eclairs. And lemon shortcake shoe buns. And salmon and green bean curry came out of nowhere. Whoa, I guess I was expecting desserts. Benji's basket. Peach and cherry upside down cake. Vanilla custard. Jacko Frost has an oopsie doopsie snow bread. And dress down to dress up. Cranberry and white chocolate shortbread. I don't know if Nadiya is a mom or an aunt, but she definitely knows kids. Veggie swirls. And dippy chocolate biscuits. So you get the drift. I can't show you the whole book. So I hope you had as much fun with this kids cookbook look through as I did. You can see more of our cookbook reviews on cookbookdivas.com and on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. We occasionally post to Pinterest, and we also have a podcast if you like listening to cookbook news. Thanks for watching.